Again, I'd like to continue talking about styling the To-Do app here. And in the last video, I set up some colors here, and then I set up some styles on my UI navigation bar. And in the last video, I mentioned that it was transparent, right? So, if you want to make it non-transparent, you can set the I think it's the translucent property, right? So I think if this is false, then it's not transparent. So we'll try that out here. And here's my app, with the opaque bar, right? So what else can we set here with the appearance proxy? Well, these are the UI navigation styles, but why don't we also set the UI table view styles, right? So there's some things that you can't set here. You can't set the text properties like the text label, but you can set the background and the separator color and some of the other things. So we'll do that first. So I'm going to type in UI table view dot appearance dot, how about background color, right? And I'm going to make this color number 1. That's my dark gray, okay? And then maybe I want to do the UI table view appearance separator color. And I want to make that color number 2, okay? So it'll be like my medium gray. We'll see what that looks like. Oh, there we go. So there's the color. Now you'll notice the table view cells here don't have the same color, right? So this is the background color here for the table view, and that's the separator color. But the cells have their own background color, so we'll have to set that separately. So let's do UI table view. Table view cell dot appearance dot background color, and I'll set that also to color number 1, right? I'll use the same color. Right now we're reusing this color here, which, like I said, if we create the variable up at the top here, then we don't have to type this long UI color object every time we want to use that color, right? We can just use the name up here. Okay, so we'll save that and test. Oh, there we go. So that looks okay, right? This gray looks all right, but this, obviously, the black against the dark gray is not really doing a lot for us. So that one, sadly, you can't set that here with the UI appearance. So for the text label color and the detail label color, we'll have to set that in our view controller. Okay. So for those colors, I think I'm going to use these two colors right here, the medium gray and the lighter gray. Okay, so I'll copy those. Actually, maybe I'll just use this one right here, and then I'll go into my view controller. And what I want to do is I'm going to find the cell for row at index path method. So this is table view cell for row at index path, and in here, when we create the table cell, we can set its properties, okay, including the text label color, right? So in here, I'm going to say, cell dot text label dot text color, right? And then I want to put the color value here, but I don't actually have those color values in this file because they're defined in app delegate. So what I think I'll do is I'll just paste, color number 3 right here, right? And we'll use that for our text label color, right? That way I'll just have a variable for it, and if I want to use it again, I can use this name again in here. I might have more text fields in the future. So I'll test that. And there we go. So there's my text label color, right? And then you can set other properties here too. If you want to do the detail label in a different color, we could do that also. Like maybe I want that like a little bit darker. So I'll make another color here. You can call this whatever. I'm going to call it color number 5, and I'll make it a little bit light, a little bit darker, right? So I'll use smaller number there. Okay, and then to set the text label color, we'll say cell, or the detail label color, I'll say cell detail label dot text color equals, color number 5. Okay, and then we'll test that out. Oh, my simulator's not cooperating right now. Let's see. Let me do this. Let me reset there. And then test it again. Let me see. Let me quit and then try it again. Okay, so we'll try it one more time. What is this not working for me now all of a sudden? Well, let me stop the video here and I'll add another one, but you can try that one on your own, and I bet that's going to work for you, right? So thanks for watching, and I'll continue in another video with some other details, okay? Thanks.